In line with the state government's commitment, moving on to Akwa Ibom State, where in line with the state government's commitment to advancing education, the Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly has urged the executive to establish computer-based test centers across all 31 local government areas of the state. This call follows a motion raised on Tuesday by Engineer Ubongata, member representing Ibesikwa Sultan State constituency, who argued that this initiative would ensure equitable access to education and foster the socio-economic development of the state. Engineer Ta highlighted the scarcity of CBT centers in the state, which has left candidates for external exams struggling to find reliable locations, adding that it has also resulted in poor examination logistics, frequent system failures, and increased anxiety among students.
Inadequate center distribution leads to ineffective management of exam logistics, undue queuing, frequent system downtimes, and high levels of anxiety among students. Candidates and their guardians are compelled to travel outside their local government areas and in many instances out of Akwa Ibom State to register and sit for their exams, incurring additional costs, disrupting family schedules, and exposing young students to stress. By leveraging these centers as ICT training and certification facilities, the state can generate additional internally generated revenue while upskilling our youth.
Other legislators noted that these centers could also serve as ICT training and certification hubs, which would also contribute to boosting the state's internally generated revenue and enhancing digital literacy amongst the youth.
I want to implore the House that as we consider this block motion, that our discussion should be around solar-powered CBT centers. Whether it is planned to be provided or they already exist, how to advise that we should also look at what we had before and how they can be brought back into life.
Most importantly, I know that they've been using the College of Education and Answer is one of the centers. I know that before now, that some people were, commissioned by the federal government also, especially the computer analysts.
After deliberations, the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Udome Otong, tasked the House Committees in Education, Science and Technology to collaborate with relevant state ministries to find a suitable solution.
These two committees need to work together, most especially as we have here in region number 3. Region number 3 says, mandate the House Committee on Education, ICT, local government and youth and sports to liaise with JAM, develop a standard, explore public-private partnership model to ensure financial stability. This year budget, Chairman, Finance and Appropriation, make sure this thing in particular will come into the budget, even if the executive brings it or not.